Okay, I'm gonna try to wire up one of these cheap Chinese soldering iron kits. It's about a mile long. That was about a mile long. There we go. Okay, problem I ran into is the plug that comes with it does not work with any of my existing stuff. So I'm adding the second plug on in hopes that it will now be compatible with my stuff. So I pre-tinned everything and I'm just sweating the connections together. Normally I would be using shrink tube on this stuff, but I'm too lazy today. And this isn't gonna probably work anyway, so it doesn't really matter. And working around this camera is a major pain in the ass. And last one. Then we can hook it up and see the magic smoke. And you can tell from the way my hands are shaking, I had way too much fucking caffeine today. Okay. All five are now soldered up. And now we'll try to hook up some power to it. Throw a little solder on that. Totally not the proper way of doing this. I figured a little fire might be more exciting. And that's extremely hot. And now we can hook up a soldering iron to it with typical Hakko plug. Get a good cross thread going on that. And let's see, where does power go in at? So now hook up our power source and see what happens. Yeah, no immediate fire. The soldering iron's actually getting hot. So we'll hook this up to 350, which I'm pretty sure is Celsius. Right here. Soldering iron is getting hot. Let's see if it will melt solder. Nope. Let's not have this thing set right yet. It should be doing something. And now it's not even warm. Not sure what's going on. Take it up to the max temperature here of 450 Celsius, and you can see the indicator light isn't coming on. If you leave it alone, it thinks it's at 500 degrees. So obviously the sensor in this soldering iron is different than the sensor in the soldering iron you're actually supposed to be using with this. I get to try to figure out how to hook one of those up. Awesome.